photography.
Yeah, video.
Do a quick video, fellas.
You're really into your photography, aren't you?
I try. Hey, buddy.
There's not a thing I could say, not a song I could sing for your love.
This is RB's the one who played.
I won't tell you I'm lonely, 'cause it may be selfish. I won't ask you to hold me, 'cause that won't mend what's helpless. There's not a thing I could say, not a song I could sing for your mind to change. Nothing can fill up the space. Won't ask you to stay, but let me ask you one thing. Oh, when did you fall out of
I
love?
don't have any pain from this either.
No.
Out of love. Oh, when did you fall out of love with me? I can't float in an ocean
It feels like the sub is
that's
not there.
already
Like,
been
you
drained.
guys done on purpose.
Yes.
I
Looks like you could do a lot.
Yeah, you can actually.
I know my tears will fall in vain. There's not a thing I could say, not a song I could sing for your mind to change. Nothing can fill up
how you
the
feel it.
space. Won't ask you to stay, but let me ask you one thing.
It's too much sometimes. But
It depends on the song and what you're
it depends on the song.
Did you
Like most R&B, you don't even have to.
because it's
Yeah.
gonna. This doesn't have much in it.
I don't know what else, but yeah.
Oh, you're on RCA, are you?
Coax.
That's interesting. When one plays coax, it doesn't show me the bit rate up here.
It does. This is a different one. I'm used. Okay, I was thinking you do it like this, and then it'll tell you. Yeah,
I said, right?
Yep.
You got a fat lady in the back and she's swinging that bum around.
yeah, that's true.
Do you have the refill off?
No, it's working.
No, I turned it off.
I'll turn it off.
Yeah?
For this one, yeah.
Okay.
But you can put the other tune on.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but the mid-range shouldn't work on that though. The
No,
last
okay.
Yeah. Because the gains was already
Sorry.
different.
This is a right-away letter. I got a mail today. Straight to my main inspirer. Says urgent from the USA. It's got this heart inside it.
Something with a voice, not level 1 thing.
No. Oh, this is. Do you like old school Darude?
Yeah,
Just
I
like
do.
something voice, man.
I love Darude.
Yeah, Darude's good.
There's not full volume. This is one tick off. It's about 90% volume. You can see, you can feel the sound.
Beautiful. It's really good.
And,
Very warm.
and the advantage is they're bolted to the chassis.
Yeah.
Which is why
Rock solid.
you get that energy. There's no wasted energy.
There's no wastage into the
Correct.
Yeah, into panels.
If you've got a sealed enclosure and it's sitting on a carpet in someone's back seat, all it has to excite is the air.
Yeah.
So you need a
Yeah.
and 2,000 watts.
Yeah.
Did you tell him? Yeah. You know what this guy did? Man.
80 watts. Unreal.
80 watts, mate. That's it.
180 watts.
In fact, less. The sub in the DSP, because it's powered by the DSP, right? The P6 is 120 watts. So this is comfortable listening volume, right? But you don't lose that whole range.
Yeah.
I was about to say, I turned it down because I was talking. You don't need a lot of power.
No.
Alright? So, the 120 watts from the P6, and I've dialed them back in the DSP minus 5 dB. So, technically speaking, they're running at probably 40-50 watts.
Yeah.
It's so efficient too with the passivator.
Yeah.
That's it. Do you know what? I actually haven't sat, after spending quite a few hours in my car with its current setup, sitting in yours, I'm like, I can hear where there's a lacking.
Yeah. We need some time with it.
You know, because these things literally
Scream.
I feel like they're a bit laid back at the moment.
Yes. Yes.
And so we need to get them dynamic,
This is alright.
but not harsh.
But listen, I play really loud though.
I gotta make it
That's
today.
Well, that's
it.
it,
Has to,
true.
that it should. I play here.
Straight to my main inspirer. Says
Yeah, fair
urgent
enough.
from the USA. It's got this heart inside.
It's definitely shifted the stage up, hasn't it? Having that
Postage is
mid-bass
my
and the pillar.
soul.
Yeah.
Contains a message from millions. Say keep don't go.
You're gonna post these videos up for us to download and see.
Guitars wait,
I reckon there's more work we could do on blending the mid-bass as well.
but it ain't quite the same.
But do you know what?
You got a
This is no
knack for
sub.
sailing,
This is just mid-bass
Yeah.
fiddles.
Yeah.
and it's stamped with your own brand name.
When you enjoy your music, you don't need the stuff.
We's all sailors,
Because he blew
as
his hand up.
captain you must know. You bring a message to millions. Say keep don't go. My love is a mountainside. So firm it can calm a tide.
I can actually hear a little more detail in these tweeters.
My love for you is a mountainside. It stands so firm it can calm the tide. That's why my love is a mountainside. My love.
The problem, right? The problem with he's a kid. So
It's alright, we're all
You
sitting
give
at
So
heart.
strong, so strong that I can't let you
you give him a nice SQ house curve, and he goes and jacks the bass
Yeah.
up to max 10 dB, and
It grows so strong that I can't let you go. That's why my love.
No, there's baby seats.
Where's the baby seat? Which side?
Arby just pretend to be a baby.
is this where you normally sit?
Ah. Oh, there's two of them.
Yeah, just open the boot. Hey, it's a two-seat car too.
It is, isn't it?
What do you think?
This is your FIO, right? Okay, this is going to be you like lots of triple detail.
I like it, but then I don't like the
Yeah, RB's got the same. And are these domes?
That's good here.
You have a sub. I can hear it.
Yeah.
Do you know what? That's actually putting out not bad. It needs to be put toned right down. You know what? It's an SPL sub, right? It's an old. It's a small box. Yeah. It's ordered. This. No wonder I like this car. It sounds like more like mine than those other two. To be honest, because I can hear the mids. So they want to play. They need to come up. It's the gains. So when they tuned it, did they fucking mids? Where are they? Alright, they need some work. But
they're just playing very high.
well, they shouldn't be. These should be crossed at like 200. They shouldn't play any higher than that. I reckon your gains are out. Your levels. Because, like,